Should you disconnect or remove your kickstand safety switch? We're gonna dive into that. I'm Sean from Srkcycles, and we're answering your questions about motorcycle stuff. A lot of this is for new riders, but some people, old riders don't know this stuff. What's the point? What's the main point of the kickstand safety switch or the kickstand kill switch? And for those of you who don't know, you know nothing about bikes. The way it works is you have your kickstand down. If you go and jump on your bike and try to ride off and pop it in gear with your kickstand still down, the bike's gonna shut off right away. And another thing, Harley Davidsons don't have this. I don't know if Indians have it or not, but Harley Davidsons don't, mainly the metric bikes. The reason it has that, and also like the German bikes, if you try to ride off and you have the kickstand down, you can go straight, you can turn right, but so you actually might go, a mile down the road, never actually lean left enough for it to hit. But as soon as you hit that, you're gonna wreck the bike. You're gonna lay it down. It does get pretty dangerous. Now, I hear some things about people trying to take them off, people trying to disconnect them. I would not recommend that. The only reason why you would disconnect it or take it off is if it malfunctioned, and they can malfunction sometimes, but it's not a huge thing. I had an old 80s bike where it malfunctioned. It's actually a pretty fairly simple switch. It's as simple as the computer is an open and closed loop. When the kickstand's down, the loop is open. When the kickstand is up, that closes the loop. That finishes the loop for the to let it start. So if you ever have a malfunction, a lot of times there's a little push pin. So you have the kickstand's here. When it comes up, it pushes the thing in there. You can see sometimes it'll get stuck in or out. You can check that out. Worst case scenario, if it does break and you're on a pinch or on a trip and you suspect that's the issue, cut it, twist those two wires together. That should eliminate the problem. But I wouldn't recommend disconnecting it as a preventative maintenance. It's not a big deal. We sold over 1,000 bikes here. I've never had that issue come up. So hope that answers your question. If you guys have any more questions, leave the comment below. I'm Sean from Srkcycles. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by M1 Moto products. With the M1 Moto gloves, one of the only motorcycle gloves that's lined with Kevlar.